the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about two new phones coming to T-Mobile. So these are the updates to the T-Mobile REVVL from last year. So the phones we're talking about here today, obviously it's the T-Mobile REVVL 2 and T-Mobile REVVL 2 Plus. These are budget phones, so you keep that in mind. So I'm on T-Mobile's website here, and let's go check out these phones. Let's go check out the phone and stuff like that and whatnot, and specs and whatnot and all. It says here, introducing the featured pack T-Mobile REVVL 2 and REVVL 2 Plus. Alright. It says REVVL 2 line includes flagship features without the flagship price, including a stunning display, all-day battery, plus an industry-leading 2-year warranty. And for a limited time, get the REVVL 2 free when you add a line. So that is pretty cool. So these phones have a 2-year warranty on them, so that is a win. So that's a great piece of mind there. So shout out to T-Mobile for that. It says, what's the news? The T-Mobile REVVL 2 and the REVVL 2 Plus are here. The REVVL line delivers all the top line features you want, like a great camera, all-day battery, fingerprint sensor, and face unlock, backed by an industry-leading 2-year warranty included. And for a limited time, you can get the REVVL 2 for free and REVVL 2 Plus for $84 when you add a line. So that's pretty cool. So you can get a free REVVL 2 when you guys add a line, or the REVVL 2 Plus is $84 when you guys add a line. Alright, so not too bad. Why it matters, as smartphone prices will skyrocket, the T-Mobile REVVL 2 line gives customers flagship features and a industry-leading warranty without the flagship prices. Who's it for? Anyone who refuses to compromise on smartphone specs or value. So here it is right here. It says this holiday the T-Mobile REVVL is back and is loaded with flagship features, but without the flagship price. The Un-carrier today debuted the T-Mobile REVVL 2, a smartphone packed with features like contoured edge glass, a 13-megapixel camera, face unlock, fingerprint sensor, and an all-day battery. And because the Un-carrier always has your back, the new REVVL line comes with an industry-leading 2-year warranty included. So shout out to T-Mobile for that. That's fucking awesome, dude. 2-year warranty, that's a win. This holiday season, for a limited time, the REVVL 2 is available for free at the 24 monthly device credits when you add a line. So y'all guys can get the REVVL 2 for free when you guys add a line. So that's pretty cool. The full retail price of the REVVL 2 is $168, or 0 down and $7 a month for 24 months from the T-Mobile equipment installment plan. The REVVL 2 with dual rear-facing cameras, a bigger battery, and even larger screen in the same amazing warranty is available for just $84 for a limited time, or just $350 per month when you add a line. The REVVL 2 Plus, the full retail price is $252, or 0 down for $1050 a month for 24 months on the equipment installment plan on T-Mobile. So if you guys want to get these phones for this holiday, y'all guys can get them for free for the REVVL 2 or the REVVL 2 Plus for $84 when you guys add a line. So take advantage of that while you can. They're available for a limited time offer. Here's a quote from CEO John Ledger, and he says, quote, "We're back at it again with the REVVL 2, giving customers what they want at a spectacular value, because that's just what we do at the Un-carrier," end quote. Then he goes on to say, quote, "We listen when our customers tell us they don't want to compromise. That's why the REVVL series is all about stunning displays, all-day battery life, incredible cameras, and now with a 2-year warranty included. The only thing is missing is the mega price tag," end quote. So that's awesome. That's why both new REVVL 2 devices feature 18:9 HD Plus displays, great cameras, a sleek design, and security and convenience features like fingerprint sensors and face unlock. And with the 3000 mAh battery on the REVVL 2 and large 4000 mAh battery on the REVVL 2 Plus, you will have all the juice you need to stream, share, and push to your heart's content. So that's pretty cool. So here are the specs on the REVVL 2. 13 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front facing camera, 3000 mAh battery. It's available in mirror black, Android Oreo, Poly 8.1, 5.5-inch display there, 18:9 screen, 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of ROM, and the micro SD card up to 128 gig. Security is facial recognition and fingerprint. It is IP52 water industrial systems, which is interesting enough, and it is also impact and shock resistance as well. It has a MediaTek chipset MT6739, quad-core 1.5 GHz processor, quad-core there on the REVVL 2. The REVVL 2 Plus is obviously the more beefier version here. The REVVL 2 features dual rear cameras, 12 and 2 megapixel cameras on back, 8 megapixel front-facing camera, 4000 mAh battery. It's available in mirror black as well. Android Oreo, Android 8.1 probably. 6-inch display there, 18:9 screen. It has 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of ROM with a micro SD card slot up to 128 gigs. It has facial recognition and fingerprint sensor as well. It is also water industrial system. It is IP52, which is interesting. It is also impact and shock resistance as well. It also has the MediaTek chipset MT6739. The REVVL 2 Plus has a octa-core 2.5 GHz processor. This is octa-core, so that is a win. It says the REVVL 2 and the REVVL 2 Plus are the 26th and 27th devices offered by the Un-carrier to light up T-Mobile's extended range LTE coverage. So it will have the 600 MHz band on there, so that's pretty good. The Un-carrier customers, including T-Mobile for Business customers, can sign the REVVL 2 and REVVL 2 Plus on November 16th in stores nationwide or online. So the REVVL 2 and the REVVL 2 Plus will be available this Friday, November 16th, at T-Mobile stores and online. So that's pretty cool. It says with a 2-year warranty on the with a 2-year warranty on any new REVVL 2 or REVVL 2 Plus, you can bring your device in good shape to the Un-carrier for any reason, and we will replace it with something else because we have got your back. And you guys can learn more about the REVVL 2 and the REVVL 2 Plus here, and you guys can check out an unboxing right here of the REVVL 2 and REVVL 2 Plus from T-Mobile. I will have that link in the description of this video, so go check that out. So there it is, guys. The T-Mobile REVVL 2 and the REVVL 2 Plus it's coming to T-Mobile this Friday, November 16th. If you guys added line, y'all guys can get the REVVL 2 for free, or the REVVL 2 Plus for $84 when you guys add a line. That's for a limited time offer, so take advantage of that if you guys are interested. The full retail price of the REVVL 2 is $168. The full retail price of the REVVL 2 Plus is $252. So keep that in mind. So these are budget devices, but they offer pretty good specs and features and stuff like that. So I am a big fan of these phones. I've seen pictures of these phones before. I've seen pictures of them, and they look really nice. They look nice, and I think Alcatel makes these phones. I think Alcatel makes these ones. I think they do, because they made the REVVL last year. The Alcatel made the REVVL devices last year, and I was also a big fan of the REVVL devices last year. So yeah, so T-Mobile was added again with the updated to the REVVL series. So the REVVL 2 and the REVVL 2 Plus is coming Friday, November 16th. So yeah, these are budget phones, guys, so do keep that in mind. They both feature fingerprint and face unlock, so that's pretty cool. They both have 18:9 screens. I'm hoping that they have Type-C charging, hoping that they do. Not sure about that. So yeah, if you guys are interested in these phones, check them out at T-Mobile this Friday, November 16th. So that's pretty much it, guys. So If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.